Hello everyone. So today we'll be cooking soya pulao but in a different manner. I won't be boiling the soya here. Instead I will be doing it separately. So stay tuned. Watch the video. Now in a cooker on low medium flame, I'm adding in 100 ml of oil. Teaspoon fennel seeds, 2 inch cinnamon, 4 cardamom, 4 cloves, tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 star anise, 2 slit green chilies, 1 large finely chopped onions, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic. We will fry this till the onions are light brown. After that, I am going to add in about half a cup of frozen peas, 2 medium finely chopped tomatoes, little bit of pudina leaves, little bit of coriander leaves, both 1/4 cup each, 1 teaspoon of salt. We are going to mix this and cook till the tomatoes are soft. Then we reduce the flame to low and add in a teaspoon of red chili powder, teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix all well and cook for about 2 minutes. Turn off flame and add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of curds. Mix it on well and on the stove to low medium, and add in 3 cups of rice, to which I'm going to add in 7 cups of water. Add salt as per taste. Also add in a teaspoon of sugar. Combine all this well. And we are going to pressure cook this for about 3 medium whistles, after which turn off the stove and allow to rest for 20 minutes. So you can see that the rice is perfectly cooked. Now soya, how I have done is, I have boiled 150 grams of soya in some salt and oil, after which I have drained all of the water from the soya as well as squeezed out all the water, and then I have fried it with some spices like a little bit of red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, little bit of turmeric, all 1/4 teaspoon you consider, and I have fried it in pure ghee. I have not used oil. Okay, just fry it about 3 to 5 minutes till the soya is like light brown, and then add it to the rice here. It will give a wonderful flavor instead of pressure cooking the soya. And mix this all well, combine, and it is ready to be served. So this is best had with raita or any spicy gravy, chicken curry, anything of your choice. So go try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section down below how you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a like if you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.